To get to the GDPR settings, go to Site, Site Settings, and then to the third tab, GDPR Settings. Now by default this is disabled, but you can click here to enable GDPR. You can also change the text that's available inside here, and a detail of this: if you are based in the European Union or you process the personal data of individuals in the EU, you would need to be compliant with general data protection regulations. When you enable GDPR, EU visitors on your site will see the marketing consent checkbox and marketing consent text field on your form, and also see the cookie consent banner as well automatically. So if you need GDPR enabled, or you want to change the text or even the document, you can change it all from here and enable it inside here, and then all you do is hit update.